Being a part of a team has many pros and cons. I have been a part of many teams. One team in particular contains the worst and the best experience I have ever had on a team. My junior year of high school, I was the youngest and the only female on my BattleBot team. None of my teammates respected my ideas. They were never thought of as valid or important. I was never trusted with power tools, programming, or writing G-code. I was responsible for organizing binders and making everything look professional. Even though my peers counted me out, I never backed down. I diligently worked on the binders and continued to add my well-thought suggestions. With perseverance and tenacity, I was no longer an outcast, but a leading member on all the projects. Once my team realized I was a great addition to the team, they respected me and I looked towards me for guidance. From there, it was the best experience I had while working on a team. From that one team, I had the best and worst experience. Nonetheless, though, on each team I've been a part of, I am the only girl I face opposition and resistance. When I joined the robotics team at Loyola, it was a male-dominated club with few women involved. They were accepting, but even then, at some points they would question my ideas and execution. Unlike if one of my male counterparts did the exact same thing, he would receive no questions, only praise. No matter what team I'm a part of, though, I will succeed. I am determined and have the tenacity to get what I want done. My past experiences working on a vast number of teams has taught me that.